Frustrated with the Realtek NIC Prop 64 DLL pop-up blocking Realtek? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start our troubleshooting for Realtek NIC Prop 64, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Realtek NIC Prop 64, the Realtek NIC Properties 64-bit module. It manages the unmanaged localized UI templates for Realtek localized network card configuration in the localized device manager. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Realtek NIC Prop 64 is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Realtek NIC Prop 64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please use caution. Replacing Realtek NIC Prop 64 DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If you're addressing Realtek NIC Prop 64 inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To keep Realtek NIC Prop 64 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.